Here I have a genuine parts from Mazda. Take a photo of this code to make it easier for you to find the right parts. You can choose OEM parts or replacement, if there is an available for this job. This type of stabilizer link is weak for rough road conditions. The small ball joints easily wears out due to excessive motion and force. When there is a clunking noise in your car, the most usual part to suspect is the stabilizer link. Be sure to inspect everything properly before replacing each part. Remove the tires and spray some penetrating fluid onto the 2 bolts of the stabilizer link. Grab a 14mm wrench and start loosening it. You can whack it with a hammer to loosen it faster. Now grab a tube or wooden bar to push down the sway bar. I inserted it between the cross member and the control arms. Once you push it downward, the stud of the stabilizer link will straighten and it will be easier to pull the link out of the way. Remove the stabilizer link and let's inspect it and compare it to the new ones. This old one has a good rubber boot, but the joint inside is weared out. As I move it, you will hear a noise which indicates a really bad stabilizer link. The new ones are fitted and the joints are hard to move at all. Usually, the durability depends on the road and driving conditions. If you drive like a maniac, expect that this will have a short lifespan. If you drive smooth and carefully, it could last for years. Typical things to prevent are the potholes and speed bumps. I will clean the 2 mountings to make sure that the nut will sit evenly when tightened. You can skip this process or do the same thing too. I put some grease onto the ends of the stabilizer link to prevent rust buildup. Insert the lower part first, hand tighten the nut. Then same process earlier. Push it downward until you can insert the higher part to the mounting. Hand tighten it and push it a bit downward to straighten the stud and to tighten it properly. You don't want to force the threads when tightening it. Use a 14mm wrench to tighten it snug. And now we installed a new stabilizer link. I put some grease onto the ends to prevent it from rusting. And now we are finished on this side. Do the other side too, they work in pairs. Sometimes when you loosen it, the stud goes in the same way. In order to stop that, use an Allen wrench to refrain the stud from twisting. Now that we are finished, it's time to enjoy a solid ride. Stay tuned for my next video about brake replacement. I hope you enjoyed this video about changing stabilizer link. Please hit the bell, like, and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Thank you very much, and God bless.